who's ready to play with fe? Well, you remember this little fella here? This one starts to play with the vowels, and let's see what happens. So first I have my a, the one with the hat. It comes always at the beginning, never attached. And then I have my capital fe, because there's nothing to attach here and it is going to finish everything. So a, f. Why I read a first? Because I wrote it first. A, f. Together. Of. What about here? This one comes at the middle of a word or at the end of a word. So they are attached because this one sometimes wants to attach, and I can use my lowercase f or small f so they can attach to each other just like a magnet. So together. Fa. Here I have my a, so I know that this one comes always at the beginning, never attached to anything. A, f. Together. Af. This one jumps right up there on the lowercase f because we know this one always comes at the middle of a word. So a. Together. Fa. Here I have my e. This one comes always at the beginning, never attached to anything. So e, f. Together. F. This one, like this, follow the pattern, jumps right down there, make f sound like itself. E. Together. Fe. What about this one? This one comes always at the beginning and never attached. So I have my O here and then my fe. So first O, then fe. O, together. Of. This one jumps right up there. O. Yeah, fe sounds like O here because this little guy is right up there. O, together. Fo. What about oo? Well, we know that this one comes right at the beginning, never attached. So I have my capital F because there's nothing to get attached to. Of course, we know that F can attach from here, even it's lowercase or it's a small. But when this end, look at it, it's not open, so it will finish everything. There's nothing to attach from back there. It's lowercase that can attach from both this side and this side. Always here, sometimes here, depending on the things that are back there. So here they don't attach because oo doesn't want to attach. Oo, together. Oof. And here will both want to attach, so they attach. Ooh, together. Foo. Guys, remember one thing, don't freak out of these attaching things because I will completely let you know in the next season when we want to start making words, okay? I'm just letting you know as something to have it back in mind, okay? We will completely go through it in the next season. Here is all about vowels and the effect on the consonants, okay? Now our tricky E. I have this one. Comes always at the beginning, never attached from here, always attached from here. This one, always at the middle, always attached from here, sometimes attached from here. And this one, always at the end, sometimes attached, sometimes doesn't. So when this one's here, see? Attach this time because this one wants to attach, has to attach. And that one over there, well, has no choice. So E, F, together, if, if. Now I have my E, which comes right at the end, this time attached because the lowercase v wants to attach. So F, E, together, Fi, as easy as this. Well, for practice, one page for each one of them. I write off, I read off. I write fa, I read fa, because I want the maximum practice. And when I'm done, I comment below and let my teacher know, okay? Don't forget to subscribe and see you next session. Bye.